So I made a big mistake. I went to work and I sat up and then I text my client, hey, come a little early. You know, I'm feeling motivated. I'm getting ready to go today. And they text me, oh, I thought we rebooked. I totally forgot. So here we are painting. So here we are, part 2 of this board painting series. This game is specifically known as cornhole, and if you watched my previous video, then you would know we had already finished the first one, and now we're on to the second because you need 2 holes to play cornhole. I'm hoping this one goes a lot smoother because now I kind of have an idea of what I'm doing. So let's jump right into it. So that wraps up this huge project that I've been working on. I do have another little trick up my sleeve though, so maybe that'll be the next video, but these boards turned out amazing. I just finished the epoxy on the other one. Still has a little bit of curing to go, but that's all right. It still looks phenomenal, but they turned out so great. It took roughly 15 to 20 hours, give or take, over the span of 2 weeks, I would say, but they turned out so good and I'm so happy with the results, and I hope whoever wins them in the fishing tournament really enjoys them and puts them to use. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the final sexy shot.